Hey, what's up? It's Beardo back again with White Rock Dodge, and today, on this rainy October day, we are headed back to Epic Adventure Outfitters to take a look at the wheels that we just had painted for Poseidon. They're going to be mounting and balancing the wheels today, since we did finish the lift, and the hooks are going to be done when the engine goes in, because we did mention in the last video that those hooks are also being painted. So, stay tuned for that. I'm about 5 minutes away from Epic, so we'll see you there in a sec.
Okay. Sorry, Beardo, that there's not more lighting over here than we shut the door, but
I can pop that.
If you want, it'll be colder for you.
That's alright. How's your morning going?
It's not bad. I was having a good time at the guitar store last night. Found a guitar. Of course, the guitar I fell in love with happens to be the ugliest color I've ever seen.
Lovely.
Shell pink. Not kidding. Watered down Pepto-Bismol.
Oh, gross.
Yeah. But it plays so well.
It suits him so well.
These wheels turned out amazing.
Those shocks look great in here. Adjustable 3.5 inch Terraflex lift. Just looks great. Now we're gonna go mount those tires onto those beautiful granite wheels. What are we putting on here?
We are going to put on the ever popular Mickey Thompson Baja Boss AT. It's the most aggressive all-terrain tire I've ever seen, and luckily for Canada, it comes with a snowflake rating with 3 mountain peaks. It's gonna need all the traction it can get. So. Voila.
We just got to do that 4 more times.
4? Yes.
Or 3 more. Yeah, 4
more times.
Because there's 5 tires, right? For a second, I thought my math was off.
We're building a 6x6. It's all good.
Alright, we got these puppies going on. The new shoes, the new boots.
New shoes. Healthy stuff, trust.
I thought you said you put 3 extras in this one.
There should be.
You don't teach the shul?
Great looking wheels there, Ginger.
We try to pick some. It's those little details. It's just a little detail.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's all she wrote for today. The new painted wheels are in, the new painted dash is in. We're just waiting for the hooks. We're gonna put those in when the engine comes in. They're gonna put the tire carrier on, and there's nothing really to shoot there. It's just a tire carrier. So we'll see you next time with more Poseidon content. Hopefully the engine, the crate motor arrives, and then we can get to installing it. So thank you so much. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.